Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a Maldivian getaway, you are at the right place, as today I'm sharing my capsule wardrobe essentials for a perfect Maldivian escape. So it's really important to choose breathable fabrics for the tropical climate. Fabrics like linen, lightweight cotton, poplin, hemp, silk would be perfect. Let's start with essential pieces, the foundation of your Maldivian look. I usually pack a few tops, ideally with short sleeves to cover my shoulders. The sun in the Maldives is really brutal and we don't want to get sunburned, right? So packing a lightweight linen top like this one could be a really good idea. I've had it for more than 3 years and I've always bring it with me on holidays. I love pairing it with a pair of linen shorts for the day and with a skirt for dinner. I get sunburned easily, so I always pack shorts with sleeves to make sure my arms are covered. Shorts are perfect for throwing over a swimsuit, they're stylish, breezy and keeps the sun off. While it's important to choose neutral colors that complement each other and create a cohesive look, I think it's really fun to add a pop of color when you're on holidays. So I usually bring 2 or 3 colorful shirts with me. I love wearing linen on holidays and I think linen shorts work really well for tropical climate. I usually bring 1 light color shorts and 1 dark color. I don't know about you, but dresses are the least worn items in my wardrobe, so I always pack them for holidays. And if you've been here for a while, you've definitely seen me wearing these gorgeous dresses over the past few years. Since I like doing sunrise yoga, I always bring with me sportswear, but it's totally up to you. Swimming suit is a must, of course, if you're spending a few days in the Maldives. I would advise to bring at least 2 or 3 if you're planning to do swimming activities on a daily basis, and I'm sure you will. If you care about your skin, don't forget to bring a swimming t-shirt, as the sun is brutal in the Maldives. Although the resorts are mostly barefoot, I always pack a pair of sandals in neutral color to walk around the island. And I would also advise you to pack water shoes for rocky beaches and coral reefs. Your feet will thank you. No capsule wardrobe is complete without accessories, and this is what helps us elevate the outfits and add a touch of personality. I personally love these gorgeous pearl earrings that are perfect for a Maldivian escape. Of course, don't forget about a pair of sunglasses, hat and beach bag. And I really hope, guys, that you found this video useful. And if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. That will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!